Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy an NFT from OpenSea. So let's get started right away. First of all, just go ahead and open up your web browser, and then in the address bar simply type in OpenSea.com or OpenSea.io and press enter. You will then be taken into the official OpenSea website, where you can simply connect your wallet by clicking on the Connect Wallet icon at the top right corner. After you have logged into your account, you can simply search for any item or collection that you want to buy. Just go ahead and browse for various NFTs that are available, and once you find an NFT that you are interested in, you can simply click on the Buy Now button. Now you will be asked to select your wallet. Just go ahead and choose your wallet, and once you log into your wallet, you will be allowed to select your currency and then buy the selected NFT. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to buy an NFT on OpenSea. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.